My name is Mike Adams, and I build medical imaging centers in Florida. The Self-Mastery event was hands down the most impactful event that I'd been to. I started with the January 2020 immersion in the Meadowlands. That blew me away. I joined Unblinded in the Mastery program and eventually moved into the Elite program, was part of the original Elite immersion at LBI. And that one moved me in ways that I never thought that I would be moved. And every event that we've done since then has perpetually built upon the previous. Words cannot express the impact that this program and Sean and Fernando and Adam and the rest of the crew have had on my life. Words, I cannot put it into words how much that I appreciated what they've done. Yoda to Luke Skywalker. But I also understand and have a grasp of knowing what I don't know. You know, that's what Unblinded does, is it allows us to see what we didn't see before. Community. I have never been with a group of people that were more loving and caring and emulated Sean. The compassion and love that they have for everyone is beyond measure. It's community. All of them play their parts, and it's like having a customer service representative for any issue that you face. So there's not a question that you can ask that someone in the group doesn't have an answer for and is willing to provide. So there's no better vehicle or formula, more accurately, to go from hello to yes, and to go from wherever you are financially, emotionally, in your business and in your personal life to achieve your goals, whatever they may be. I came on the recommendation of a dear friend of mine to the original immersion. I was $100,000 in debt, maxed out my credit card to get to the event, attended the event, signed up for the Mastery program, and at that point in time, I was probably generating $200,000 to $300,000 a year in gross revenues. And this past year, I think we surpassed right around $6.5 million in gross revenues. And I paid a lot of money in taxes because of it. And I love paying taxes. Because I was $100,000 in debt to where I am now, there's no amount of multiplication that can get you to where we are. So the short answer would be yes, it grew exponentially, because going from zero to where we're at now is at least 30 times. The short answer, Sean's a friggin' rock star.